Do you know the 10 advantages of CFC fixtures for your heat treatment shop? 8th, CFC fixtures have a higher further product quality. See a CFC fixture for a vacuum process of aerospace parts, Rolls-Royce. The low CTE value of CFC makes the fixtures dimensional stable at high temperatures and thermal shocks. Less to zero rework including leveling. Reference from Duratec, Germany. The quality of each Allen key with its CTQ, critical to quality parameters like hardness, case depth or high shape, and dimensional stability significantly improved. Through CFC fixtures, the process reliability can be doubled. Start saving big with CFC fixtures for your heat treatment shop. Call +1 941 299 9191 or scan the QR code to learn more.